would be there to a house, and what are the things inside the house. Okay, outside and inside. These are the things we discussed about yesterday. Correct?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Now,
Yes, sir.
if you see this one, first we have understand these three houses are available in one area called ABC area. So now, if you want to visit these three houses, what you need to do? You need to go to the first this area. Once you go to this area, then you will get all these three houses. Correct or not?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
So it is very simple. What we are talking about, like, if you want to visit these three houses, if you want to access these three houses, we can say, like, these are the three houses of mine. So I want to access these three houses. What should I have to do? I have to go to this particular area. Then I can able to access this. Uh, I'll give you this house number. Eight nine. Yeah. Sorry, guys. One second. What happened to this? I'm not able to write. That's okay. So take, like, this is house number one, house number two, and house number three. If you want to access these three houses, then I should go to this area so that I can able to access all these three houses. Correct?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Okay.
sir.
Now, in this house, so I am identifying this house with the whatever the name I have given here. The name of this house is one. This name is two. This name is three. Or we can able to say, like, the door number. The door number is one, and this door number is two, and this door number is three. So, to uniquely identify these numbers, these houses, so we are gonna give the unique numbers. Correct?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
So,
sir.
Yes, sir.
so the house name is the same, and the door number is also same, right?
Yes,
House
sir.
name is the same, and the door number is also same.
Yes.
Yeah,
Yes,
this
sir.
is the second point. And the third point, which we have seen, right? We have a front door and we have a back door. And there will be some sort of a side doors wherever it is there. So we have different types of a doors are available to a particular house. And third one, that is the third one. And the fourth one is if you go inside the house. So you will have first you will reach to the your first you will reach to the one open space area that is called hall, where you will have some sort of items so that everyone in your house can able to access that, like TV, sofa, whatever the things are there. Those things is accessible to everyone. In the same way, the kitchen area too. And the other point is, like, if you go some sort of other rooms, so those are private rooms where only the few people can able to access. That is called master bedroom or kids bedroom. And whatever the things inside it is there, only few people can able to access that. Okay. Got it?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
And
sir.
the other point I forgot to add here. We discussed about keys. For inside a house, if you have a separate rooms, there will be a door and you will have a keys to open that. Correct?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
For
sir.
master bedroom, you will have a keys. Child bedroom, you have a keys. Like that, you will have a different keys to open your inside room. So these are the 8 points we discussed. Now, all these things we are gonna be keep it into the, or we are gonna be connect all these things into our programming language. Okay, how we are gonna be do that? We are gonna start with the house name. Okay, house name is nothing but, for example, public class, hello, or student. So think this is your complete house from starting to here to here. The dimension of your house is like, usually we usually we identify the dimensions of a house like, 1,000 square feet, 2,000 square feet, from this starting point to the from this starting point. This is what we are gonna be identifying. In the same way, here we are gonna be identified the dimension of a house is with the culling braces from starting to here to here. This is your house. Okay, that's the first thing. Now, for house, we have given a name, right? Correct? That is the same way you given the name for that your house it is. I given a name as a student. Okay? So this house name is a student here. Now, inside you can have, once you go inside, so we are not gonna be talk about the door number now. The door number we are gonna be talk about little bit later. We have talked about the house name. Okay, the door number we are gonna be talk after one more topics is gonna be complete. Then we can able to correlate that. And in the same way, the front door and back door also we are gonna be talk about later. Okay, the third point we are gonna be touch base another sometime. Right now, once we go inside the house, what we are gonna be have, we are gonna have the number of rooms. Correct?
Yes, sir.
Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So this number of rooms means public void room one, or I can say uh, master bedroom, master bedroom, and this room dimension is from here to here. This is the this room dimension. It starts from here and it ends here. Okay. Now I have a one more room. It's bedroom. I have a one more room. It's bedroom two. Okay. Like that, I have a different rooms. So I have a house which is starting from here to here, and I have a one room inside. So inside it is this area is from here to here, this area here to here. So we touch base the number of rooms are there. Okay. Any questions as of now?
No, sir.
No,
Okay.
sir.
We will understand each and every word inside this house. Okay. What is this? What is this? Okay, what is this? Everything we will able to understand each and every word. As I said earlier, for this one is a house name basically, right? For any house, you will have a name of it. So that's the name. Now inside the house, you will have a separate rooms. For the rooms also, you will give a name, right? This is a master bedroom. This is a something. This is a something. So like that, I given the names for the rooms here. Okay. Now inside here, we are gonna be understand the hall, TV, and sofa. I mean the accessories part, right? For example, if the TV is accessible to everyone, right?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Now,
Yes, sir.
in the same way, I have a variable here, public integer uh, I equal to 10. I given a one variable. Okay, forget about this public. I given as an integer I equal to 10. Now, this I equal to 10 can able to access in this room,
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
can able to access in this room,
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
can able to access in this room.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So, I mean, the people who lives here, they can able to access this I. The people who lives here, they can able to access this I. The people who lives here, they can able to access I here. So that means this is a public property where everyone can able to access the things which is available outside. Like in the hall, you have a TV where everyone can able to access, right? Correct?
Yes,
In
sir.
the same way, here also we are able to access this variable which is outside. Now, what is this variable called? Is called global variable. That means I'm accessing this variable globally in my whole class. I can able to access here also. So dot print ln of I. I can do this one. I can do this one here too. I can do this one here too. All these three places I can able to access. And after this also I can able to access here also. I can do that. So that means like this is a global variable where I can able to access everywhere. In all the room people, they can able to access this outside whatever the variable which you are declaring. Got it? Clear?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
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 Now I am creating a one more variable here. Integer j equal to 20. When you come here to understand, for example, if you have a master bedroom and inside you have your bed, so it's only for the people who are have living into the master bedroom. Is everyone can able to sleep in that master bedroom into that bed? No, right?
Yes, sir.
So
Yes.
that is so much private where it is not gonna be useful for any other people like the kids bedroom people or guest room people. They cannot come inside and they cannot able to access the things which is inside the master bedroom, inside the kids room, inside the something. So the things which is inside a room, which is a private to that room only, it is not gonna be used by the other people. Correct? Generally, right?
Yes, sir.
Now in the
Yes,
same
sir.
way, in the same way, I have a variable here, integer j equal to 20. Can I use this j in this room?
No, sir.
No,
No,
sir.
no, sir.
You
No,
cannot
sir.
because this guy will say like, who are you? You are not the one can able to access this j. This j is only accessible from here to here only. Only these people only can able to access. Apart from that, no one can able to access this j. Okay. So these type of variables are called local
Local
variables.
variable.
Okay. Now, now we understand about a house. Inside the house, you will have a room. Inside the room, you will have something, and inside the house, you will have something. Who can access what? So that is the overall picture we understand as of now. Any questions? Any confusions? Any questions? Anything?
Sir, can you
No,
No,
explain
sir.
about local variables, sir?
What was it?
Local variable. Can you explain once again?
Okay. May I know who's this is?
Manoj, sir.
Okay. Manoj. Uh, Normally, we'll take this one itself, Manoj. So, you have your personal room. Okay.
Yes, sir.
So, in your personal room, you have TV, and you have your laptop, and you have your bed. So, those three things is accessible to whom? To you only, or to your guest also?
No, for me only.
It is for you only, and it is dedicated to you only, right? So the person who lives inside that room, that guy alone is gonna be accessed. Apart from that, anyone can able to access?
No, sir.
No. In the same way, if I create a variable integer j equal to 20, this j variable is accessible only inside this this room only. Apart from this, if it is comes here, if it is comes anywhere, you will not authorized to access. Correct? Simple as like that.
Yes, sir. Yes,
So
sir.
if you have this variable here, take this variable is called, oh sorry, take this variable is called your laptop. Okay. So this laptop can able to access your some other people,
No, sir.
and this laptop can able to access everyone in your home.
No, sir.
As simple as like that. If you declare a variable inside it, 100% this is gonna be accessible here. If you declare variable outside of your room, which is declared as a globally, that means it is gonna be access to everyone. Just like a hall, inside the hall you have a sofa and TV, where everyone can able to access these two things easily. But if it is there inside your private room, only that private person alone can able to access. Apart from that, no one can able to access. Right?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Correct?
Got it. Yes, sir. Got it. Thank you.
Okay. Any other questions? Guys, if you did not understand, ask me. I will start it again. Okay. Don't be blind. That is what I would say. Don't be blind. Got it? Anything? Any other questions? Any clarifications needed to anyone? Umer, did you understand?
Yes.
Okay. Now we are gonna be understand little bit more. This is a one type of a room, and this is a room, and this is a room, and this is a house, we said. Now we are connecting these things to our programming language. This is called a class. Okay. The house is called your class, and this is called your rooms are called inside the class are called methods.
That's
Okay. These are called methods, and this is called class. Now, for example, you already seen the methods like string dot length. This is called a method. Okay. When you are using your your parenthesis, and you are calling someone, then it is called as a method. Okay. For example, string dot uppercase is a method. Okay. Array dot index of, it is a method. Okay. Now here, which one is a class and which one is a method here?
Array is a class, index of is a method.
Yes. This one is a class, and inside the class you will have a method. Now, let's see. One second. Okay, from the team C. Padmaja,
Yes, sir.
I want to access kids' bedroom too. How can I do? I want to access kids' bedroom too. How can I do? I mean, I should write array dot
All right.
index of
Yeah, student dot kids bedroom.
student. Yes, student dot kids' bedroom.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so so now you are gonna be access this class and this one, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay, but there are some other things are there to access like that. We will slowly add up and we will understand all this stuff. Okay. Any questions as of now?
No, sir.
Okay. And there are some sort of a standards we need to follow while constructing your house. Like you need to use your good concrete, good cement, and good wiring. Okay. All this stuff you need to use the good stuff, right? That means like you are maintaining the good standards so that your house could be very strong. Correct. In the same way, you have to write, you have to maintain good standards while you're writing your programming. That means when you are trying to write a class name, this class name always starts with capital. Okay. When you write, trying to write your method names, always it will start with the lowercase. Okay. Got it?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
What
sir.
what is
Yes,
that
sir.
called? Always starts with the capital. What is this called?
Class name.
Class
Class.
name.
Class.
Class
Lowercase is
name.
a method.
What was that?
Start with capital letter is class. Start with small letter is method name.
No, that's not the point I was asking. This is called camel case.
Communication.
Okay. This is called Pascal case. Okay. When you are trying to write your program with the class name always has to have a camel case. Means the first letter starts with a capital, rest of the letters will gonna be lowercase, and any other word is gonna be add student uh, room. Sorry, student's room. Then it's gonna be another capital. Okay, this is called camel case, and this is called Pascal case. Got it? Clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Very good.
Yes, sir.
Very good. So this is the standard, and always your variable names also follows the Pascal case. Okay, always the variable names also will follow the Pascal case. So this is called a standard, coding standard. Okay, uh, when you construct a house, how you will take the standards for all your materials. In the same way, you have to take the standard, you have to write in terms of the coding standard so that your code looks good and it will be very much stronger. Okay? Any questions,
Yes.
guys, as of now?
Okay, sir.
As of now, any questions with the house?
No, sir.
No.
No.
It seems to be simple.
Yes.
Yes,
Yes.
sir.
So everyone is like, understanding well. So they correlate your daily activity to your programming language.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, very good. Very good. Nice. That's good, guys. So keep these points in your mind while you are doing your programming. Okay?
Yes, sir.
Now, we are gonna be add few more things and we are gonna be understand few more words here. We know this name. We know this name. What is this like? It's a okay. This is a home name and this is the room name. All this stuff you said that is good. But we are gonna be add few more things here. What is this? What is this? We need to understand, right? Correct?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Sir.
And what is this? So there are three new things which we are seeing here. What is this public means? What is this void means? What is this parenthesis means? Why the parentheses are there? Do you write something over there? Or it's just like this? So we need to understand how our rooms look like, how the we are gonna be use our rooms. Okay. Now now this one means VOID, void. Void means it's normally it's a English meaning means nothing. Void means nothing. Correct? Do you guys
Yes,
know
sir.
about the meaning of a void word?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Usually
Yes.
you will see like in your certificates when you Xerox your certificate, when you scan your certificates, like you will get it as a void over there. Okay, which is not gonna be this paper is not gonna be useful. This paper will not give you anything. That is called a void. Okay. Now, what is the purpose here? We have added a void into the room. The purpose it is saying, for example, very simple. Uh, you have a different bedrooms. So if you go to the one room, they will give you something and you will come out. If you go to the another room, they will never give anything and they will whenever you will come with the empty hands. Okay, so that is the thing. For example, like, to add it more, for example, you have your mother, father in a master bedroom, and you will go and ask them. They will give you something over there. If you ask, like, can I have the $50? They'll give you $50 and you will come out. Means you are coming something out of that room with some value. And there is another room, like my brother's room. If I go there, he will never give anything to me. I just go and come back. That's nothing to me. That means void means I will not get anything out of this room. If I use this, if I call this one, I will never get anything out of this. But there are some rooms which it will give you back. It will return you something. Okay. That means, for example, this is a void. If I say string, means you have to give a return something. So this means you are giving a promise. I will return a string at any cost. There is no way. If you say void, you no need to return anything. If you say string here in the place of between this public and between this name, and you have given here, this will say like, you have which type of thing you are returning. Okay. So this is the name of the bedroom, and this is saying as a return type. What is the return type I will get from this room? What is the return type I'm getting from this room? Got it?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So this is called a return type. If it is a void means 100% so you are not gonna get anything here. But if you are mentioned anything, any sort of a data type here, you will return something from this room. Okay. How it is, Molali? I mean, from how I will get it back, and from where I will get, and what I will do with this. So some sort of a questions, right? Correct?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So you're saying return type. Okay. Then if I call him, then he will give me something. Then what I will do with that? And how can I call this guy? I need to understand, right? Correct?
Yes.
Correct or not?
Yes.
Now, further,
Yes.
for example, if you have public, static, void, and main. Okay, there is some sort. Sorry, guys, I have a severe cough. Sorry. Ah, okay, yeah. I have opened this one. Now, uh, I will show you here itself directly in the Eclipse. Now I say like I created a method which is a return type is a string, and I created a method which is a return type is nothing. I created a method which is a return type is nothing. So how can I call these guys? For example,
Sir,
I'm
sorry to interrupt
calling.
you. Can you increase the font size a little bit?
You want to increase the font size?
Yes, sir.
Sir,
I
control
never
A.
did it.
Control.
Space
Where it
plus.
is available?
Just control
Control.
A.
Control.
A
Control.
space
Control is equals to,
plus
sir.
plus
Okay. Control A plus.
space space
Mac it won't work, sir, like this.
space. Okay. Sorry.
Control plus, sir.
Sir, control equal to, sir.
Control
That is right.
A control equal to. Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Now it is good.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Sir.
I don't know. Like this is the first time in these many classes someone is asking me to. Uh, Maybe I was doing with the Zoom at the time. I don't have this issue. Maybe because of Teams, you people are able to see a little bit very smaller. Okay, anyway, where are we? Yeah. So, uh, when we can able to call, like, if I want to use this guy, because this guy or master bedroom, kids bedroom, and the kids bedroom, they can talk each other, right? Correct? So this
Yes,
guy
sir.
can go here,
Yes, sir.
this guy can go
Yes,
here,
sir.
this guy can come here, this guy come here. But they should not use the things. If it is a thing here, I cannot use it here. If it is something is available here, like a integer k equal to 100, I cannot use it here. The k value I cannot use it here. Okay, integer m equal to 30, like that. But if this guy is giving something to me, I can able to take. That's correct or not? If this guy is giving something to me, I can take. If this guy is giving something to this guy, they can take. But you cannot access whatever the things are available inside this room. Correct or not, guys? Clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Yes.
sir.
Now,
Yes.
now, uh, what I was trying to tell you here is, so in this kid's bedroom, I'm gonna be access the. I will ask this guy. Okay, master bedroom. I call them. So this is what? Which type of return type is this?
String.
String.
This is a
Three.
string return type. Okay. So what it does, it will give you some value to me, like string s equal to this one. So if I call this guy, then it will give me something here. So if you call this guy, what he will say?
Hi,
If you
how are
call
you?
this guy,
Hi, how are
Hi,
you?
how are you?
Hi, how are you?
this, then where is the high over you would be there?
Master
Yes,
bedroom.
very good. Bedroom.
The yes variable. For example, let's see. We are gonna be access that. We are gonna be execute this one. Guys, can you please go on mute? Okay. Now, if you see this one, the execution point of any program will start with the main. Remember this point. The execution of any program will start with the main. When a class, it will start from here. So first it will check like, where is the main door? You- For any house, basically, if the gentle people, they will go only through main door only, right? Correct?
Yes, sir.
So
Yes,
in the
sir.
same way, for a house, the execution point is a main door. So I have written a new word called static. We will discuss about it. But as of now, whatever the things we are correlate with our day-to-day activity, we are gonna be execute and see. What I have called, I call the kids bedroom. So what will happen? It will first when I execute this program, it will come here in the main, and it will come and see like kids bedroom. Okay, it is calling this guy. It will go here, and it will go here. It will execute integer k equal to 10. Then what will happen? String s equal to master bedroom. Where is the master bedroom he is calling? He will go here. Okay. And this will see like okay, this is the master bedroom is calling, and this is the return type of thing. Something he will return. That's what he will understand. And he will go to the integer j equal to 20, and he will say like, okay, return something. Because you are giving a promise like you are going to return something to me. Okay, hi, how are you? This is what it's gonna be written, and it will come once it is taking the output from this guy, and he will give it to this guy. Yes, and it will gonna be printing here. So this is the way of execution will happen. Any questions on this?
I have a question.
Yes.
So, example, like you're doing S equals master bedroom. Like, can you go to kid's bedroom too?
Yes, you can. You can
Yeah,
do
like
that.
what I mean is like, can you do like what I mean is, can you just go to kid's bedroom too? And
Yes,
can you
I'll give.
yeah.
Okay. Uh,
Like,
now,
is it possible? Yeah.
now I'm gonna be call the kids bedroom too. Okay, kids bedroom two is giving something. Is kids bedroom
No.
giving something?
No, sir.
No.
No.
No,
We are
sir.
we are gonna be just to call that. It is not giving because this guy did not give any promise to you. So here this guy given a promise like I will give you string. But this guy is like they did not give any promise. He said like avoid, I don't have anything, I cannot give you anything. But only the thing like you can use me, you can come here and execute whatever here and go back. That's what he said. Now, if it is a kid's bedroom, first I am calling this guy. It will come here, execute the k equal to 100, and it will be this, and it will go master bedroom, and it will do this, and it will go to the kids bedroom too, and it will do this, and it will do this. This is what is gonna be happen. Okay, let's see who will tell the output of it before running this program. I'll call the name. Uh, Jimsy.
Yes. Yes, sir.
Yes, Jimsy.
This
What is the
the first line would be this is kid's bedroom. The second line would be this is master bedroom, and the third line would be this is kid's bedroom too.
and that's it?
Then then the S, hi, how are you?
Okay. Let's see. Sukruta. Whatever
Yes.
Jimsy said is correct.
No, sir.
No. Okay. Tell me what is gonna be happen.
So can you just scroll down
Okay. Yeah.
the main method? So first it will go to its bedroom.
Uh-huh.
This is its bedroom, and then it will return hi, how are you?
Okay. What was it?
One second. Can you just go down, sir? Actually, complete. This is not visible. Sir.
సార్ మీరు ముందున్న ఫోన్ సైజే పెట్టండి సార్, లేకపోతే చాలా ఇబ్బంది అవుతుంది సార్.
Let me. This font is good.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
ఎస్
Yes,
సార్.
sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
So yes, sir.
I'll do. I'll remove all the spaces so that you people can able to understand.
Yes.
Okay. Now it is in one page.
Yes.
Yeah.
Well done. So first it will go to kids' bedroom, and then this is kids' bedroom. Then it will go. Then it will go to master bedroom. It will print like this is master bedroom, and hi, how are you? Then it will go
This
to
is
kids bedroom.
so. This is master bedroom, and it will print hi. How are you? Right?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. It will
Okay.
return hi, how are you? And then
Okay.
it will go to kids bedroom too. Then this
Okay.
is kids bedroom. And then no, sir. Last it will print hi, how are you? Since you have given here system.out.println s, it will return the string hi,
So
how are you?
you are saying like first it will come this one, and
This
second it
is
will come this one, and third it will come this one, and fourth it will come this one, and fifth it will come this one. Is this correct? This is what are you saying to me, Sukrita?
can you remove the third one, sir?
Third one?
Yeah.
This is what you are expecting as an output?
Yes, sir. Can you show that method once again? Yes, sir.
Let's see.
Okay.
From the team B, Sai Kumar.
Sir.
Yes, sir.
He is not available. Is there?
Available, sir. Available, sir.
Yes, Sai Kumar. What is the output?
So from master bedroom, the return type only access.
What will happen? Sorry?
Hello, sir.
Yes, Sai Kumar.
From master bedroom, only return type hi, how are you only print.
Okay. So you're saying that this will come and
No, sir. This is master bedroom is not printing.
it will not print
Only
this one?
return.
Okay. Okay. What will happen? Only this one will come?
Yes, sir.
So the output is this one. That's it.
No, sir. In kids bedroom, sir, only access hi, how are you. Return type only access in kids bedroom, sir, from master bedroom.
No, Sai Kumar. Okay. Tell me what is the sequence of printing? What will happen?
Okay, sir. Sequence of printing is this is kids bedroom.
First it will print this one.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay. Okay.
After that, this is kids bedroom 2.
This is kids bedroom 2. This will print after that.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
After that, hi, how are you?
After that, hi, how are you? Okay. Now you can tell me how it is gonna be happen. As I said, the program will start from here. This is the clue. It will start from here. Now execute.
Yes, sir.
Now execute how it is gonna be happen.
It will enter, it come here to kids bedroom, sir.
Okay, it's come here and it execute this line.
Yes, sir. Here,
Okay.
in println we mentioned this is kids bedroom. That will execute.
Okay. Okay, line number 14 is executed. You have the line numbers also. You can tell me the line numbers clearly. Okay, line number 14 execute. Next.
After that, come to the line number 15.
Okay.
Here we are assigning the string s equal to master bedroom.
Okay, what will happen here?
Return type, assigning the hi, how are you to the string s from the master
What will
bedroom.
happen? What will happen? It will directly return the hi, how are you? That's it. Nothing will happen.
It will enter to the master bedroom.
It will enter to the master bedroom. Okay. Then what will happen?
It checks the return type, sir.
It will check directly the return type. It will come here. It will check the return type, this one. Okay. Then
The return type is assigning to the string SI.
then it will directly come here. Is that so, Sai Kumar? Then directly come here.
After printing that this is master.
I did not understand. What is gonna be happen after that?
Sorry, sir. Maybe this is master bedroom also will be executed.
So okay, see, will come again. Line number 15. Master bedroom it is. So you are saying it will go here. Okay, I came here. After that, what will happen again?
Again, system.println will execute, sir.
No, you can tell me how
Right.
what is next gonna be happen. It will see the return type. That's good. Then what will happen, Sai Kumar? After by seeing this return type, okay. Then next,
Next. Sorry, sir. I don't.
no, you're telling good only. So I'm expecting an answer here. So your master bedroom, it went here. It sees the return type, and then it will go and execute this line, right?
Yes, sir.
You enter into the room, Sai Kumar, and you are
Yes.
gonna be execute all this stuff, and you will come back, right? That's only you are gonna do, right?
Okay. Okay.
No, not okay. Did you understand what I'm trying to tell you? When you call a
Yes, sir.
method, you go
Yes, sir. Yes,
here.
and
See now, for example, you say the kids' bedroom, and it will come here, and it will execute line number 12, line number 13, line number 14. 14, it is execute this one. Line number 15, it is master bedroom. Okay, it will go here. It is sees this what is the string type. Okay, very good. And then it comes here. It will execute this one, and it will execute this one, and it will execute this one. Okay, it is returning. Okay, it returned here, and it given back to this guy. Then it comes here. So that is what is gonna be happen, right?
yes, sir.
Any
I understand.
any questions? Any confusion?
No, sir. I understand, sir.
Okay, now explain. Go ahead.
Yes, sir. Here we given inside the main method kids bedroom.
Okay,
Then we will go for 11th line.
okay.
After that, it will print the 14th line.
It will print. It will print the 14th line.
Yes, sir.
It will execute the 12th line. Why you missing? Why you are eating this one? Directly jumping from here to here.
Okay, sir. It will execute the 12th line.
No, are you understanding or not?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. I understand, sir.
If you are understanding, then why you are telling wrong?
So I'm telling
Okay.
only what are
Okay.
the
No.
print.
Execute the program. That's what I'm saying. Okay, start again.
Okay, sir. From a 28th line to it will come to the 11th line. Kids bedroom.
Okay.
Then 12th line will execute.
Okay.
After that, println this is kids bedroom will execute.
Okay.
After that, here we are given master bedroom. Then it will enter to the 5th line.
Uh-huh.
After that, 6th line, it will be executed.
Uh-huh. What it is executed in the 5th line?
5th line, it will check only integer j equal to 20.
Okay.
After that, 7th line, this is master bedroom will be print.
Okay. Next.
After it will come to the return, sir.
Okay.
This return type is assigning to the in 14th line string SC.
Okay. What is the S value?
S value, hi, how are you, sir?
Very good. Next.
Next, after that, fifth line will be executed, sir. 15th line, sorry.
Okay.
This is kids bedroom 2.
Okay. What will happen? What will happen? Okay. This
It will
then
again
execute.
enter, yes, sir. Enter into the 19th line, sir.
Very good. Then
21st line executed.
very good.
After that, 23 line will be print, sir. This is kids bedroom.
Very good. Okay. So which type of a method is that?
Sir?
Which type of a method is that? Is there any return type is there?
No, sir. Return type is not there.
So it is a void method.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Which type of method is this? Void method.
Void method. Okay, sir.
Okay. Next.
Okay, sir. Next 23rd line will be print. After that, it will come back to the kids bedroom, sir. Kids bedroom method.
Okay. Then what will happen?
Then system.order print string S variable hi, how are you will be prints.
Very good. Very good. So this is the sequence basically. So basically by looking into the program itself, you have to tell what is gonna be output. Okay. That is the way we need to develop. So you should not ask computer to know what is an output. You have to ask your mind. Okay, what is an output here? How to debug? How to understand? So it is very, very simple. Is there any problem? Any issue here?
No, sir. No, sir.
Not only to you, so Sai Kumar, anyone. Do you guys have any questions here? How easy Sai Kumar has executed the program? So we did not run the program as of now, but everything is like, okay, like this, it will go here, it will does this, it will come back here. That's what it is gonna be happen, right? Any questions? Any questions? Anything? Guys?
No, sir. No, sir.
No.
Yeah? Everyone is good?
Yes, sir. Can I use of return type? Return
What is it?
how are you? So we given
Who is
return
this?
hi, how are you? Manoj, sir.
Manoj. Okay.
Yeah.
Yes, Manoj.
So here we given return hi, how are you, right?
Uh-huh.
May know the use of return type.
What is the use of return type?
Yeah.
Okay. So that's what I said, right, Manoj. If you go to the one room, you will get something from there. If you go to the some other room, you will not getting anything. That will be defined by your which type of a return type is available. Okay.
Okay.
Now,
Yes, sir.
now in this room, okay, this room, I say like, I am giving a promise. If you come to me, if you call me, or if you come to me, or if you call me, I will give you hi, how are you, always, or whatever the value, whatever the things variable is there, I'm gonna be give you something. For example, I will say like, string test equal to hello. Say like, test. Okay. Some sort, whatever the operation I does here in this program, in this method, and I will give you the finally what is the return I will give?
Hello.
A type of a string. String. Okay. You have to talk about the value might change Earlier it is like, hi, how are you? And now it is changed to the hello. After some time it is changed like something. Anything it would be there. But when you're talking to the return type, this returning a string value. It is returning a string value always. Okay. Now I mentioned as a string. Can I give like say integer?
Integer.
Can I give like this?
No, sir.
Error.
No, sir.
Because
Because we
because
mentioned as string.
promised me you will give a string, but you are giving something else. For example, I promised I will give you a chocolate, but I give you a cookie. That is something wrong, right?
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
yes.
In the same way, this guy, if I come, if I call this guy, he promised me he will give me a string. He cannot able to give any other data type. 100% he has to give the string only. Okay. Now,
Yes, sir.
some sort of operation it does, and it will give you something. Some sort of operations there give you something. If I mention as a void, they will never give anything to you. Okay. So, for example, uh, uh, Manoj, think like a bigger picture. You have a addition, you have a subtraction, you have a multiplication. Okay. First, you will call a method, and you will give you some value. That number will come, and sorry, what I was trying to tell you, for example, so for example, I have a English, a math, and a science. You have subject, for example, you're writing a program called uh, a calculating the marks program. So whenever you call a method, they will give you some sort of the one number. How much number Manoj scored in the English? How much number he scored for maths? How much number he scored for the science? Finally, what you do by taking all these numbers, and you are gonna be add these numbers and tell
Okay.
you like this much of score you have achieved in your exam. That is what you are gonna be tell you, right? So this
Sir.
guy, English means this guy given the promise like I will give you some sort of a number. If you call me, I will give you some sort of a number. What number? Don't know. But he will say like I will give you integer value. And this you call means string integer value. This is integer value. In the same way, if you call here means he promised you, I will give you some sort of a string value. Okay, that is a promise. Got it? Any
Yes,
questions?
sir. No, sir.
Understand? Clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Thank you.
Still, if you did not understand, let me know. I will put it in another way. Until you understand, until your brain is not digesting this point, you should not stop. Okay? Be remember this point. If it is take like one more day also, I don't have a problem. I can able to spend for you guys. But you have to understand the concept. Okay? Got it? Clear?
Yes.
Everyone.
Yes.
Guys, if tomorrow I ask the question, you should be in the position of answering it. Do remember this point. If you are not answering, I'm telling you like my 5-year kid, my 8 years kid, how I teach them in the same way I'm teaching you too. Okay? Are you getting my point?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
So if you have any sort of a issue, let me know. So we will discuss again. But tomorrow when I ask the question, if you are not returning the answers to me, then I get the problem. Are you getting my point? Everyone.
Yes.
Yes, sir. Okay.
Yes,
Okay.
sir.
Guys, from the team A to team E, meet in your daytime and discuss about all these things and come back tomorrow if you have any sort of a question. Even though if you're not able to find an answer within your group, come back with an answer. Come back with the questions, we will discuss about it. But don't come as a blind. If you after this class, close it and tomorrow morning 7 a.m. I'm gonna be open it. That would not work out. Do remember this point. Okay? Did you get it?
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
From the team A to team E. So this is you can take it like your as a request, as a warning, as an order, up to you. Okay? But
Okay, sir.
the work should have to be happen. Got it? Just discuss the whole concept, everything. We are gonna be add something more tomorrow. We are gonna be understand what is this word, what is this word, why this word would be there, why what is the necessity. Everything we are gonna be discussed tomorrow. Okay, but as of now, just look at this one. You can find many programs in internet and do some sort of calling all the methods. What is a return type? How it is a returning? What we are doing with that? All this stuff you can do the practice and come tomorrow. Okay?
Yes, sir.
Okay, sir. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Small.
Okay, sir.